Alright guys, we are headed down to the Keys for a 4-day fishing trip. I'm going to bring you guys with me. We're going to be filming it with the camera glasses, so you're going to be getting everything from my point of view for the next 4 days. It's the first drop. Drop down a piece of jack. We're in 210 feet of water. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. Let's see what happens. Probably a shark. It's not running. Shark. Definitely not a big mutton. I'm gonna get a nice mangrove snapper, would be nice. Feels sharky. Oh no, looks like it's a jack. All right, good bait. That's some good cut bait right there. Don't really want to bring them up into the boat, but here we are. Very strong and very flexible. Everybody's gone in to sleep. I don't know what time it is. It's probably around 3 or 4. It's getting pretty close to that time where, you know, you might as well just stay up the rest of the night. But I got a whole live flying fish down here, and it's getting bothered by something. There we go. This feels like a decent fish. I'm all by myself out of here. First one thing I've caught so far is sharks. This is definitely not a shark. This is, pretty sure it's a mutton snapper. It's a big one too. Gotta keep turning that handle. Keep bringing it up. There's a good fish. It's a good ass fish. I hope it's not a grouper, because groupers are closed. Oh, please don't be a grouper. Just be a big old mutton. Big old mutton snapper. That's all we want. Alright, we got to our leader. Alright, it's floating up. Oh, big mutton, big mutton. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh, big mutton. Where's the gaff? Oh my gosh, I think I might try to pull it. I don't want to pull it up. Let me get the gaff. Where's the fucking gaff? Where's the gaff? We don't have a gaff. Oh my gosh, we're trying to pull it. Oh my gosh. shit. Fuck. Ugh. Oh my god. The camera went out. I just gaffed at him. That's a nice one snapper right there. Oh, well, I was gonna try to pull him up, but I was a little nervous about that. As a keeper, I'll keep you. I will keep you. Gag's on. It's not very big. Probably a medium. Oh dang! Two fish came up behind him. Tiny little mutton. But two fish came right up behind him. Were following him up. I think they were like jacks or something. Oh shit! He might have needed a vent. You got it, baby. You can do it. There you go. Big old sea turtle. It's coming right up to us. Holy, the size of his head. I'm filming it right now. I'm filming him right now. Wow, he's gonna come right to us. Yeah, diving right through your line. Wow, look at that head. That head is like... Sun is setting. I'm just at the front of the boat here, casting the X-Wrap. See if any pelagics, any tuna, mahi, wahoos, kingfish, if anything's around, if it wants to play. Look at that sunset. We are on day 3. It's early in the morning, and we're in shallow. We're in about 75 feet of water, and we're still looking for some good mutton snapper action. It's been a little bit slow.
Yep, about that big. Yep. You got a little one on the spare too. Need help, Nate? Sorry, gotta get up here. What's I gotta get up there?
Ooh, porgy.
That's mine or mono?
Hey, that's not a shark. I don't know what it is yet. It's not a shark. Hey, yellow eye. Little baby yellow eye. The yellow eye have a size limit? Well, I'm not in a position to be picky, so you're going in the box. Swimming away like a shark. What do you know? Oh yeah. Oh, it's a good fish. Better fish at least. Come on. Oh, fuck. Ah. Well, at least he didn't take all my stuff. It's a little one. Yeah, so nobody takes him. Okay, no. Probably a damn shark. Got a jig on here right now. Got a fairly large fish. Are you caught up in it?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Oh. He's digging. It's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a while. I think he took everything back. Everything I got, he took back. Oop.
That's the jig?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get up for this. It's a big fish.
Stuck in that, Nate? Come here.
Oh my God. He's so far. This is a really big fish. Whatever it is.
Can you walk around the side with that going under the boat or no?
Which side? Like the front? Like the stern? There we go. It's not that big. Mutton. Little guy. He might be 18. We'll see. We will see. Could be 18 inches. It's pretty close. Pretty damn close. Yeah, he's 19. Head back in. Sunday afternoon. Sunday morning, so we'll get it in the afternoon. And let's go play some fish. So we're back at land now. This is where the real work begins. There's the fish box. A lot of small fish. We got some bigger fish underneath, but I'll show you guys. So we're sorting out the fish right now.
One yellow eye. Look at that bad boy. Where's white?
All right.
One margate. One.
What do you do on that?
NAR.
All right, this is my bucket here. It's my son's
I
bucket.
don't think so.